Hello everyone, I am Rantan. If anything, I made this video inspired by Sanatosh. Link to his channel in the description. I speak English very poorly, so forgive me if I say it wrong. Approximately 99% of his video was translated. Asking a translator know about me. I think I will not disclose important information by type of birthday and name. I love watching anime and reading manga. I know Russian and Uzbek languages. Yes, I hardly know English. I would be glad if you recommend anime or manga. I would mind if you wrote me question about Uzbekistan since I live in Uzbekistan. Finally, if you are a Sanatash, you will see my video. Then please mention me in the next video. Bye everyone.